Hi guys, and welcome to my video today. I'll be showing off my brand new Apple iPhone mini, and I'm actually filming this video with my iPhone 10, which is the older model, a couple of years. There's nothing wrong with it, but I find, for me, I'm a fan of smaller phones. I like the footprint, and also because I have smaller hands, so when I handle a phone, I like to be able to use one hand to do all the gestures and swipes and whatnot, as opposed to the iPhone X. There's nothing wrong with it. I really like it, and I like the large display, but this also gives you a large display, but it's a smaller phone. And also characterizing the features of the camera, the newer revision of the aluminum frame around the phone itself brings back the old iPhone era of the SE, and I think that's what I like about it. And not only that, a new technology, new features, whatnot, faster processor. So now obviously I can't give you an overview of both phones together side by side because I'm using the iPhone X to film. But there's tons on YouTube. You can do comparison searches and side-by-side comparisons of the two. Quality-wise, I like having the OLED display, the more richer graphics, sharper images. I got this phone on a new plan, so basically I didn't spend $1,000 on it. I just rolled it in, pay another $10-15 a month on a better plan, and I get a brand new phone. So why not? Take advantage of it. If you can do it also, take advantage. This must be everyone's favorite part. The removal of the plastic wrap. Ready to see what it looks like? Oh, check that out, guys. Look at that blue, man. Look at that shine. Beautiful, man. This is what I'm talking about. Oh, it just fits in the hand so nice. And that aluminum bezel, it's beautiful. Just brings back the memory from the old style with new redesigned features. Oh. Brand spanking new. What do you think? Oops. Now, unfortunately, you don't get any accessories with the iPhone. You just get some documentation and the charge cable, which is now lightning to USB-C. That's it. No power brick. So that means I'd have to use my old power brick with my old cable until I can get the new one. Yeah. So I wish Apple would have included the brick with this, but oh well. What can you do? What's going on, guys? Thanks for watching my video. If you think it was informative, if you like the content, please help the channel, subscribe, like it, thumbs up, and I'll try to bring you some more content. All right? Don't forget to comment. Peace.